Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with yet another unboxing. I have several that I'm doing in separate videos today, including this one, which shipped from Aurora, Colorado, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I'm not going to show you the other side because I'm not going to show you my address. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com, rippedapparel.com, or onceupontea.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. You'll save some money off your shirts. Got some cool bubble wrap. So, got some AMC gift cards. Each of these are worth $15 each. And so what I do, I used to do this all the time, as I would go on sites like eBay, and there's other websites that you can get discounted gift cards on. And it's not all the time. They don't always have these, but you know, I don't know exactly how much I spent on this specific one, but I definitely didn't overpay. So I got $60 of value. I probably spent $35, $40, maybe less. I should have like double checked before I did the videos, but it's not a big deal to me. But I definitely saved money off of this. Otherwise, I would not have bought it. I love going to the movie theater. I love going to AMC. I've got the big refillable bucket, which they extended till March of next year. I'm hoping that these theaters get opened very, very soon. I will wear my mask. I will bring sanitizer, and I'm going to eat some popcorn, maybe some hot dogs. I don't know. The first time I go is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be just insane in the membrane. So what are your favorite movie theaters? Which brand is your favorite? Do you guys have Cinemark, a Carmike, a Regal? There's a bunch of them out there. Around here we have AMC and Cinemark, and we have a More Theater brand. So I can't wait to try this. What's your favorite movie you've ever seen? What's your favorite theater experience? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Have a great one.